Hi guys, welcome back to Imperfect Me by Tonya. I am Tonya, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this beautiful ponytail using hair attachment. And this attachment is very cheap, under $10 depending on where you're buying it from. And yes, this is perfect for when you don't have a lot of money to buy expensive hair extensions. So yes, let's get straight into the video. I'm going to be using the popular expression. This is the one that I have. You can use any one you like. You're going to need an elastic band, something very stretchy that won't break. You're going to need a comb and a scissors. Cut the hair into how you like it. Pick it, comb it to remove frizz, and then cut a small section like so and comb through to remove frizz. Now you're going to bend your attachment into two, pass it through the elastic band like so, and then put your hand through the hole you've made and pick the other end, and then just pass it through to the other side like so. Very easy. I'll show you guys closely. Pass it through the elastic band, put your hand through the hole, pick the other end and pass it through to the other end like so. Then push it down to meet the other one neatly and tie it properly. It will look like this. Let me show you guys another angle just in case you missed the other one. Bend your attachment into two. Pass it through the elastic band. Put your hand through the hole and pick the other end of the attachment and pass it through, just like so. Very easy. So when you're done with that part, put it somewhere comfortable, pick 3 sections and then braid them together like so. Now that you guys get the gist, I'm going to just finish up. And you can add more attachment to your ponytail. It depends on what you really like. So next, you're going to need to boil very hot, super hot water, and then put the braided hair into the water and wait for about, say, 5 to 10 minutes or more. And then just leave it in there. When you're done, it's going to look cute and sleek just like that. And then you're going to need to dry it. Today I am air drying my own, but if you have like a hand dryer or any kind of dryer, you can do yours. Now I'm going to take this beautiful argan oil. You can use any oil of your choice. And I'm going to rub it on it, to loosen it up, make it sleek, shine. And I'm going to loosen them up. Now that you guys get the gist, I'm just going to hurry up and finish. So there you go, looking all nice and fluffy. So now I'm just going to go ahead and open up some of the curls that are too big for my likeness or liking. English is not my language, okay? But anyways, I'm going to go ahead and open up the curls to how I like it. So you can do same. And yep, so cute. Now you're going to need to trim the ends. Okay, this is not okay. Don't cut it like that, cut it like that, basically. I don't know what I'm saying, but you get it. But yeah, I'm just trimming the hair now. Now I'm going to go ahead to show you guys. If you want to know how I slick my 4C hair down like that, a video is going to be coming up soon. Now this part of the rubber band needs to be under, just like that, not on top. So I'm going to tie the elastic band twice, to make it super tight. So now I'm going to take a section of the hair and tie it around my natural hair, and the reason is so that you can have the same pattern of curls all around your head, just in case, say for example, the ponytail moves, they're going to see the same curl pattern all around. So now I'm going to take this bobby pin and hold that down, which is going to create more security, or you get the gist. So there you go, looking very nice. You can add more bobby pin if you like, and there we go, so nice. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you like it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.